So the trimming that I did on this tree on this side to make it cant this way, which it's doing quite nicely, is working. So I'm going to remove some more of what's weighing it down on this side, and then it will start to even it out and balance it out a little bit better so that the canopy will reach up and over this Cape honeysuckle, which is now supporting it, so to speak. And we're going to take away all this material and repurpose it again in. So now this is the finished product. I took this away and went ahead and rounded all of this right here. I needed the weight from all of those branches before, the ones that were coming along from the center, see, and I needed this weight to cant the tree, see, as it's whirling this way, to cant the tree going back this way, so that it doesn't continue to fall over and hit that wall. So it's a process, but eventually this tree, if we really wanted to, we could turn it into a complete lollipop. They're very well-behaved trees, slow growing and everything else, but now this trunk has gotten so much more solid that I can go ahead and take this tether off before it starts to actually cut into the bark of the tree, into the trunk. Now I'm back in this planting bed in December, and I've cut some more of that mastic tree, and I'm putting it down into this hole that the dog apparently went ahead and dug a hole for me. She was, who knows, maybe she was going after rabbits or something, but I'm taking some of the actual refuse and putting it in here with some dog poop. And let's see if I can do it a little bit better like this. And I'm covering it back up with some of the dirt that she dug up with the wonderful twigs that are left behind in this very rich, dark soil that has been culturing basically for the past 7 months since I was here, and dropped off a lot more mastic branches than this. So this is going to get processed very quickly by the worms, I'm quite sure. I'm just going to bury some of the stuff back just to level this area up and take advantage and put some of the larger pieces of the wood down on the bottom, so that it starts the the process of, as I was saying, raising this up, so that I'm using this kind of as a biomass area in essence. I'm bringing as much of whatever yard clippings I can to put into this soil so that it will break down and make it richer, and also give it some integrity and raise it up and give it better drainage. Cheers, everybody. I'm hoping that this will give you some idea as to what to do also with your side yard here in the desert. Different options that might work for planting food in the desert and using our resources and those little areas of that are seldom used, that are actually really practical for making and growing food. Cheers, everybody. Happy gardening.